Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to discuss a very exciting topic, ChatGPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, the language model created by OpenAI. In this video, we'll dive into the history, present, and future outlook of ChatGPT, how it works, who created it, and what its purpose is. It was created by OpenAI, a research organization founded by some of the biggest names in tech. OpenAI LP is governed by the board of the OpenAI nonprofit, comprised of OpenAI LP employees and non-employees. Their investors include Microsoft, Reid Hoffman's Charitable Foundation, and Khosla Ventures. The goal of OpenAI is to ensure that artificial intelligence benefits humanity, and ChatGPT is just one example of the groundbreaking work they're doing in this field. So let's start by talking about the history of ChatGPT. OpenAI is a research organization founded in 2015 with the goal of ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits humanity. In 2019, they released the first version of ChatGPT, which was trained on a massive corpus of text data to generate human-like responses to text inputs. The model quickly became popular and was widely used in a variety of applications. Fast forward to today, and ChatGPT is still one of the most advanced language models in the world. It's been fine-tuned and improved over the years and is now capable of generating high-quality text for translational tasks. The model is also highly adaptable and can be fine-tuned for specific use cases to improve its performance. So, why was ChatGPT created? OpenAI wanted to create a language model that could generate high-quality text for a wide range of tasks, from language translation to question answering. The goal was to create a model that could be used in a variety of applications and provide valuable insights into language and how it works. So, how does ChatGPT work? At its core, it's a machine learning model that uses deep learning techniques to generate text. The model is trained on a large corpus of text data and learns patterns in language to generate responses to text inputs. The model uses a technique called transformer architecture, which is designed to handle sequential data like text. It's this architecture that allows ChatGPT to generate coherent text. The impact of ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, has been significant in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. ChatGPT has revolutionized the way natural language processing tasks are performed by providing human-like language generation capabilities. Its applications range from language translation, chatbots, customer service to content creation, and creative writing. Moreover, ChatGPT has also made it easier for businesses and individuals to access AI-powered language processing tools, which has opened up new opportunities for innovation and growth. The accuracy and efficiency of ChatGPT's language generation capabilities have also made it an important tool for researchers and developers in the field of AI. In addition, the impact of ChatGPT can also be seen in the way it has improved the quality of life for individuals through the development of virtual assistants, chatbots, and other AI-powered tools. Some of the popular applications of ChatGPT are natural language processing, NLP. It can be used to generate human-like text, improve language translation, and speech recognition. Customer service. It can be integrated into chatbots to improve the accuracy and efficiency of customer support. Content creation. It can be used to generate articles, summaries, and product descriptions in various industries such as journalism, e-commerce, and marketing. Education. It can be used to generate personalized study materials and summaries, as well as answer questions in various subjects. Healthcare. It can be used to analyze medical records and assist medical professionals in diagnosis and treatment planning. Overall, ChatGPT has a wide range of applications in various industries and is poised to have a significant impact on how we interact with and process information. The current version of ChatGPT has some limitations, including it can produce incorrect or nonsensical answers. It can be sensitive to slight changes in the input phrasing. It can be excessively wordy and repeat phrases. It can guess the user's intended query instead of asking clarifying questions. ChatGPT is still being improved and they are working on fixing these issues. However, it can still produce incorrect answers and exhibit biased behavior. They are using the moderation API to minimize harm, but it is not perfect and may have false negatives and positives. So, what does the future hold for ChatGPT and language models like it? The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. As the model continues to be fine-tuned and improved, it will become even more capable and versatile. We're likely to see language models like ChatGPT used in even more applications in the future, from customer service to content creation. So, to summarize, ChatGPT is a language model created by OpenAI with the goal of generating high-quality text for a wide range of tasks. The future is bright for ChatGPT, and we're likely to see it used in even more applications in the future. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT and AI, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.